If you're looking for dog collars for large dogs, here's a collection you've got to see. Top 10 most popular dog collars for large dogs. Number 1, most popular, by Petronics. Watch this video and get inspired. Number 2, by Herm Sprenger. Number 3, by The Best Industries. For more details about these dog collars products, just click this circle. Number 4, by YiPet. Number 5, by Adaptil. Find these dog collars for large dogs at up to 70% off by clicking the info circle. Number 6, by Mothca. Number 7, by YiPet. Click the circle in the corner to find more amazing products and gift ideas. Number 8, by Petronics. Number 9, by YiPet. Discover more dog collars for large dogs ideas and items to explore, click the description below. Number 10, by BC.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.